Right, so welcome back. I forgot that today is a holiday, so I'm changing my clothes to a holiday clothes, but still I'm going to do this video. As you can see that the model has no windows and doors yet, so the next step will be to put in the windows and the doors. What we need to do now is to choose this icon here, which is to add indoors. So if you click it, you can get this window pop-up here. So if you put the item which is from the pop-up, you can place it on the wall of the object. Okay, so let's start to put in one tile for this one. This is L, meaning that left. Okay, left. So if I put M, so it's going to be in the middle. Okay, so you can see that the insertion point is in the middle of the window, or you can choose right, but since that we don't have right or left, let's just choose middle, M. Okay, 2 by 1, or not this one, sorry, you can just choose the simple one. Okay, from the, so this is a door. If you can look back to the design here, so we're going to put in this door on this wall. So that is a entrance door, 2100 millimeters high and 900 width. Oh, I got this one wrong. Okay, right, so let's put in the door. Make sure that the door is at 0 meters high. The width is 0.9 meters. So this is in meters. You can see here it is stated that the unit is in meters. So the height is 2.1. Okay, so when you put in the wall, you can see that it is located in the wall. Okay, so I'm going to put in the second one. So now we have the door. Right, let's put in the window. So you cannot choose door as a window for this next step, so you have to choose this part here, add window. Okay, and let's look back into the outline. So the window is 1200 millimeter high and the width is 600 millimeters. Okay, so let's choose rectangle. So from the base, we minus K, because we want to have the window at the same height as the door. So the highest point of the door is 2.1 meters. So we minus 1.2, meaning we have another, let me see. So I'm going to use a calculator just to make sure. Okay, 2.1, 2.1 minus 2.1 minus 1.2. So I got, I'm not sure you can see this, 0.9. Okay, 0.9. So meaning that from the base or the height is going to be 0.9, and the width is 0.6. Okay, and the height is 1.2. All right, so we have this window. I'm not sure where it is located. It's in the middle. Okay, so just put it in the middle. One. It's a 3-bay window. Okay, 3-bay casement window. 3. Okay, so 3 windows. We can adjust it later if you want to make sure that the location is exact length or a certain location. Okay, the third one will be this window here at in the toilet. So this is W2, meaning it's a very small top hung window. So W2 is 600 by 600. So from the height is 2.1 minus 600, we get 1.5. Okay, so 1.5 is the base height from the ground. So base height is 1.5, width and height is 0.6. Okay, and just put in the 0.6 there. Okay, so we have the height of the toilet door, the toilet window. So last one will be this toilet door here. Where is the toilet door? Okay, so it's a toilet door, normally the height is the same, is 2.1, but the width is 0.75. Okay, so let's change this. So this is a window. Let's choose door again. Okay, so the height will be 0 from the ground level. Okay, the ground level there. Okay, the height, the width is 0.75. Height is still the same as the same other doors, 2.1. Okay, there you go. Alright, so now we have the layout of the apartment. Okay.